Firefighters Are Heroes by Kaden S. Firefighters are heroes. Nobody will forget the World Trade Center. 9/11 is important to me because 343 firefighters died on that day. I won't forget, or my dad won't forget, because he is a firefighter. Lots of firefighters save lots of people's lives. I know that because I have the movie World Trade Center, and that is another name for the Twin Towers. I've seen shows about firefighters, and they talk about when the building fell. Firefighters save lots of people's lives each day. Firefighters rescue people out of burning buildings, and that's why firefighters are heroes. My dad is a firefighter, and I've seen him save people's lives. One time my dad and I were going to Alliance, and we saw a guy get in a car wreck, and my dad got out of the truck and pulled the guy out. Firefighters are nice. For example, if there was a fire and they had to rescue a kid, they would have a mask on. They would tell the kid, "Don't be scared." That's why firefighters are heroes. I want to be a firefighter like my